Hi believers, this is Amit from Waya team, and I'm here to provide a weekly bite in the road ahead in the markets. What a dream week it has been for the Nifty option traders, going on Nifty long. The Nifty gained nearly 2% in the last week, reaching a new high of 23,000 for the first time. The Bank Nifty rose 1.6%, but the broader market remained neutral, with the mid-cap index rising 1% and the small-cap index falling by 0.7%. This is a pre-election rally driven by high confidence about the policy continuity, good earning prospects, and India's macroeconomic resilience. Last week's movement in PSUs and defense company demonstrates that the domestic investors are still adding PSUs. Stocks such as Hindustan Aeronautic, Cochin Shipyard, Mazagon Dock, and others have rallied 40 to 50% in the last 2 weeks, mainly due to good result, robust management commentary, and expectation of policy consistency. However, FIIs are still largely absent, and if they decide to return after a long hibernation, the surge in Indian market will be something which we have never seen. As the majority of the Q4 results are out, companies in the capex related themes such as power, infrastructure, capital goods, energy efficiencies, semiconductors, railways have done well, and most companies in these industries are experiencing strong tailwinds. Some consumer-oriented sectors such as automobiles, hotels, and luxury retail will be in the spotlight as Indian consumers increase their spending. The majority of these companies have recorded historically high levels of profitability and even margins. We will continue to add strong stocks from these industries on decline. This was pretty much the summary of Q4 results. From a macroeconomic standpoint, India appears to be in an excellent shape. The fiscal deficit is under control, tax receipts are healthy, whether through GST or direct taxation, manufacturing is expanding rapidly, and so on. The data like rent growth, cement volumes, vehicle sale, power consumption, air traffic control, infrastructure development, and rising hotel average room rate all indicate robust and sustainable momentum across sectors. On the chart, the overall trend continues to be positive as there are no signs of reversal yet. Technically, we could see a continuation of the rally in Nifty with a target of 23,800 and 50,400 for Bank Nifty. The immediate support for Nifty is at 22,700 and 48,200 for Bank Nifty. Coming to the news from Indian economy, the Reserve Bank of India announced Rs 2.1 trillion dividend to the Government of India, which boosted the stock market as well. This number is humongous. The windfall dividend to the government strengthened its fiscal situation and increased the likelihood of reduced borrowing. The government might use the dividend to cut borrowing, provide tax breaks in the union budget, or spend it by raising allocation to roads, railways, and defense, thereby increasing their earnings. Last Sunday, I mentioned about Aegis Logistics, and the stock was up 15% in 1 week. Today, I'm going to unveil another bullish stock, named Inox Wind. The company's order book is healthy, providing visibility into earnings for the next 2 to 3 years. We aim to achieve a 100% return within the following 12 months. The execution of the order book and the margins will be key metrics to watch. The results were stellar. Just a disclaimer, I've taken a big position in Inox Wind. Please do your homework further or buy in staggered approach. Following the split, the price of Inox Wind is trading at Rs 165 per share. That's all for today. Wishing you a happy trading week ahead.